Hello, I'm Jake. Welcome to another ESLA How To video.
And my name is Neela, and today we are showing how to assemble a kicksled.
Yep, right, well I'm going to leave you to it and get behind the camera.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so first things first, we gotta open up the package, and for that you need scissors. And inside here you will find the user manual, reflector and foot pads. So put those ones to the side and we need them later on. Yeah, so now we have the package open. Here you have the back with the usual manual, reflector and foot pads. So you can put them now to the side, and the rest of the package you can throw away. Just like that. And remember to remove the plastic from the bumper. Like this. Woo! As you can see, this comes with sliding runners included, but we're gonna do a second video of them, so we'll put them to the side and show in another video how it's done. Yeah, so to get it started, we start with the seat, lift that up like that, and then hold from your sled and put this up as well, like that. And then we need to put this, our hold on here. You need to take this attach off and put it down here, as you can see. Loose the handles, push them forward like this, then lower your seat, and here we have it. Yeah, so now we're gonna need our accessories back. Remember to read the instructions, this video does not replace them. So, do it. So, for this you need a hammer, and to do that just put the back first and then slowly start to stab it down, gently. Just like that, and then another. Same thing to here as well, just put it there and gently to start, tap it in. Here we have it. Yeah. Take your reflector out of the back. First to do is to bend it to 90 degrees, like this. And then you will need a crosshead screwdriver and take your screw off from here. Just like this. Then you have the clamps here. As you can see, when you take this, it will go like this. Put it on the underneath here, and then just put the clamp back and it clicks down here. Great. Remember to screw it tightly. Then when finished, do the bolts up tightly.